So as we're all aware, the top specs of the upcoming Unihertz Tank 4 has been leaked, and it seems like the device is going to be equipped with specs that are not as impressive as that of the Tank 3 and the Tank 3 Pro. But anyways, in this video I'll compare the specs of the Tank 4 with the Tank 3 Pro to point out the differences and similarities and to see which of the two 5G rocket beasts is equipped with the best specs. So without further ado, let's dive into it.